What's up, everybody? Today I'm talking about real estate investing, not just any investing, your first real estate investment, and that's a rental buy and hold. I don't recommend starting out with a fix and flip unless you know what the hell you're doing. Maybe if you know construction or something, but just make sure you have a lot of wiggle room for trial and error if you are going to do a fix and flip. So anyway, your first buy and hold property. This is a simple breakdown to guide you. We're going to start with affordability and at the house hunt. And so a lot of people come to me, they say, Ivan, I want to make my first real estate investment. I've got some money saved up. I don't know where to start. I don't know what to do. All right, so the first step is affordability, right? You want to know what you can top off at in terms of financing, as well as cash. You need to know how much cash you need to close. Right? So if you own a home already, you're going to have to put about 20% down for an investment loan. If you don't own a house yet, you can use your primary residence loan and do as little as 3 to 5%. You can even use that on a multi-unit, which is actually super exciting. The other thing with multi-units and affordability, with multi-units, they can consider up to 70% of the rental income per unit as your income. So let's say you alone are pre-approved up to $600,000. And you're buying 3 units. Each unit that you're going to rent out, they can incorporate 70% of that income and drive your price up. Therefore, you can look for a nicer house in a nicer area. All right, so once you've determined your affordability, how much you can and want to spend, you're going to go with the property type. So you need to know if you're going to buy a condo, a townhouse, a single family house, or if you're going to go all out and get a multi-unit and be gangster, right? So once you determine the property type, the next thing is location. What location is going to help you maximize your investment? You want high rents, you want good quality tenants. I can't stress enough not to cheap out on an investment. It's the same process, but less headache for a nicer product, right? So a nicer product always yields a higher profit. Not only that, less headache. If you're buying a cheaper product, it's probably going to have some issues. Right? It might be a fixer, it might be a house that's got a little deferred maintenance, in which case you might have to have the repairman spend money on repairs. What if you're in an area with poor tenants? You know, it's sad to say, but you can determine the tenants based off the area you're in, right? So definitely check out the location. You want to maximize your profits. Check the rents in the area, check the quality of tenants. And next thing is the house hunt. I can't stress enough. You gotta work with someone that knows real estate investing and can run numbers for you, can analyze and give it to you straight. A bad investment can ruin it for you. It can ruin it for you. You might never come back to real estate investing with a bad investment. So be very intentional when you're looking at houses. You're not just shopping what's available. Set your criteria out, know what you're shooting for, get realistic for it, and have at it. Every time a property comes up, run the numbers, make sure it makes sense before you even waste your time and go see it. And when you offer it, go all in. Because remember, what rents you're cashing in right now are not going to be the same next year. They're not going to be the same the year after. Rents are typically always appreciated, unless something crazy happens. But rents are typically always appreciated. So even if you start breaking even now, next year, rents are going to go up 4, 5, 6, 7%. Right? Especially here in San Diego. So be very intentional with your house hunt, know what you're looking for, work with the right person, maximize your location, know the property types, your affordability, and your cash to close. Keep in mind, not just the down payment, also the closing costs, and happy house hunting. All right? Cheers. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Ivan, here for you if you need me, and good luck out there.